Thursday the 7th of November and the scaffolding is coming down. It's a hell of a lot brighter in here now. Amazing. Nice view of the garden. Having to move these tiles inside now because the scaffolding guys are back, removing the scaffold. Just up there, removing all of this, taking the monoflex off, taking the tin hat off. Only started this morning, maybe 20 minutes ago or so. It's 10 past 8 in the morning. So yeah, I've got to crack on. They've taken the rope out from the front, so I can't actually rope the stuff down as I was doing and storing it in the garden. So we'll just have to store it in the back there, and then, to be fair, it's no bad thing because we're going to be roofing the side extension anyway, so having some tiles up here is no problem. Yeah, there they go with the noise. Haven't seen out that way for a while. Scaffolding is coming down, monoflex is coming off, and the building is getting opened up and revealed. It's the big reveal. It is brighter in there, although it doesn't seem it right now. It's amazing just what having that open and having that off makes a big difference up in there. But it also means I'm having to clear all the stuff that I was storing on the scaffold. I'm having to take all that off and basically just shove it in the house in the eaves to get it out of the way, because a lot of it is going to relate to phase 2 of the work. The skip is pretty much completely chocker full, and I've got to clear all of this as well. Don't know what to do with it. It's soaking wet, sopping wet. What I think I might do is just dump them in the back garden, then have a bonfire when it dries out, cover it with a tarp and let it dry, and then get rid of it that way, basically. It's been pouring with rain the last couple of days, but everything's secure and dry and all the rest of it, so it's going well. It's going well. Scaffolding's coming off. Woohoo! The place has become a bit of a storage dumping ground. Not much more than it was before, but we've got a lot of stuff in here. Bathroom kit over there, leftover timbers there, insulation there, a ladder, render carrier board. A bit chaotic in here at the minute. All of this insulation is going to be going up in that wall there, and up in some of that behind that, all along there. That can stay as party wall insulation because obviously that's the party wall. And then this mineral wool I can put down on the floor and store and put it anywhere else that I want to, really. I'm going to have quite a lot of this left over, but obviously a lot of this stuff will go in the stud walls as well. So that's good. As you can hear, the scaffolders are still working away. It's all coming off. Because the scaffolding is going now, this is the last opportunity I will have to work on the outside of the building for anything. So I'll find a little silicone bits that I need to do, applying silicone to all the bits. That's all got to be done. I've got to do that now, which means going into the workshop, garage, and getting things like applicator guns, silicone, all that sort of stuff. That's cork, multi-purpose white silicone, that'll do. And I've got some more upstairs as well in the garage, so got to go and do this. The house is getting unwrapped. You can start to see a bit more of it. Tin hat is off. Monoflex is coming down. It's almost there. You can almost see it. It's a hell of a lot brighter in here now. Amazing. Nice view of the garden. Put the grill back on. They're actually going to be leveling this level here for now, because we've still got a few more bits to do. They're just taking the top off, and the top level of scaffold boards and all that. They'll take some bits off at the front, but they're going to leave the access up the ladder, and they're going to leave all of this as well. So it's coming together well. Well, it's coming down well. Looks nice, nice view. Which is good. Monoflex is coming off. That rustling will go, which is nice. Not really had a view out of this window yet. Still waiting for it fully, but hell of a lot better than it was.